What's up? Trade recap. First I'm going. This is January 7th. I took a trade and it got trailed. It hit my trailed stop loss just a couple minutes ago. There was news coming right around now, but my market is 10 minutes delayed, so it's a little bit different. Let's go over my trade that I took. First, let's go over NQ higher time frame. We're making here higher highs and higher lows. Even though this 4-hour gap got disrespected, if you go to the 1 hour, there's this one gap that got respected, so still overall bullish higher time frames. And for ES, it was a little bit cleaner. The 4-hour gap, boom, respected. Then one hour, boom, respected, except this hourly gap didn't get respected. There was down here, but 4-hour respected too, also on NQ, so very clean for high time frames. Then for my NQ draws, first one was this like midnight high or previous day high kind of. Then let me put it like with the magnet. Then next draw was this early high, then this early high, then this high. I just put them like, because this all is low resistance liquidity until this high resistance liquidity, but I marked out these two also. And for ES, it was the same midnight high and also all-time highs. ES today just took all-time highs again, and I really didn't have bearish draws at all, not before we would start displacing crazy down. Then 15-minute on NQ, I didn't look in that claim, but here we're respecting 15-minute gaps and continuing to go up. 5-minute, also respecting the 5-minute gaps. Here is not that good, but on ES we didn't at market open tap this gap, but after market open we tapped it, the 15-minute gap, and 5-minute is also kind of weird, but still both are bullish, very bullish. Let's see what happened on market open. Well, on NQ it did kind of this, but on ES we took the midnight high like for equal highs immediately, like instantly, then went down to this 50-minute gap and made a really nice reversal off of it. For a trade on ES, this would be a pretty good entry if you got a good position there. But then on NQ, we only retraced to this 1-minute gap and kind of just stayed there. But I took the trade based off the 5-minute closure, looking at it like this displacement, first 5-minute candle, it's very displacing, and if you just kind of zoom out, you're seeing we're making new highs, retracing, displacing up, boom, and there's the next draws. So that's really simply what I took. I would have gone break even at this high, midnight high, and then also the main TP would be at this high, and here I also marked it out, so I will start the trail after that got hit. Then I end, and also when this candle closed, I didn't enter immediately because I kind of missed the entry here when it went up and down, so I waited a little bit to hit this gap, then I entered at the gap and placed my stop below, right at this low, and break even on the midnight high. But what happened was we went down and back up, and when this candle already closed, ES had taken it had finally taken the midnight high. So I went already right after this candle break even, like after this took it on ES break even, then held through all of this. Then when this hit this new high, I trailed my stop loss to this low, like immediate, literally on the low, and then and then when this candle reaches to this gap and made a new high here, I put my stop loss here, exactly at the candle wick low, and now it got hit. This was kind of chopping, but also good volume. So as you can see, when little bit of chopping started, it continued still. So I think it's goodly managed to trail your stop, or like think that it really isn't. It doesn't look like it wants to continue again, but also you're just riding the trend, so it's fine because you're already in a trade and you're just waiting and trading your stop. And ES took all-time highs, but it really didn't deliver all the way yet to this high. And right about is here coming the news. My charts are 10 minutes late because I haven't paid for this trading view, like the live data. And I got 0.7 R on that, so basically kind of a winning day, at least for trade. And yeah, it really didn't deliver how I wanted. Now it's chopping, and the news is right about in 1 minute it will come, so I would have already gotten out before the news because I really don't like, I wouldn't want to hold during news, especially almost. Also, I don't think fundeds allow that. But yeah, it's a pretty simple trade. I feel kind of overwhelmed taking this week almost every day a trade. It's like Wednesday. Now I took today and yesterday a trade, like 2 trades already, and I took 1 trade on Friday, I think. So it's pretty overwhelming at the moment taking so many trades. I really don't take that many trades when I backtest. There's not much like good setups, but I think this was all right. Definitely definitely it's not. I realized it after, but this midnight high would be the draw. So I know this was kind of a more of a swing because it was based off the 5 minute, but it would be more ideal to take some trade like where the full take profit would be this midnight high, because that's the draw, and after it gets taken, you really can't you can't guess what the market wants to do. You cannot guess what the market wants to do after taking a draw. It may start chopping up like it did right now. But I'm happy that I managed my position right. But the draws really, only this midnight high was a good draw, I think. So really like it's a weird trade. Like there's many things to consider. Oh, the news just came, and yeah, that's the trade I took. I'm gonna try to be more careful. It's pretty weird trading live. It's way more like faster and everything. So I'm trying to learn that now to get better at it. And yeah, nothing else to say. See you.